morning market is a lively and colorful place that brings the local community together. One of the first things that catches the eye is the plant section, where sellers display fresh plants and beautiful hanging plants, adding a green and refreshing feel to the market. Early in the morning, the market comes alive with rows of stalls selling a wide variety of items. The market also has a wide range of fresh vegetables and fruits. Vendors sell leafy vegetables, corn, and seasonal produce neatly arranged and ready for customers. Dress stalls line the pathways, offering affordable clothing and daily wear. Taking a short look at the nearby shops give a glimpse of everyday life in Seri Iskandar. Perfumes and traditional attire stalls attract visitors with their rich fragrances, while nearby fish market sections offer fresh fish straight from local suppliers. As you walk further, the aroma of snacks and freshly prepared food fills the air. Small food stalls offer quick bites, making the market a perfect spot for a casual breakfast. Overall, the Saturday morning market in Seri Iskandar offers a simple yet memorable experience, blending fresh produce, local flavors, and community life into one pleasant morning outing. After exploring the market and enjoying the vibrant atmosphere, the visit ends with a return back to the hostel.